From geopolitical tensions disrupting exports to rising raw material costs and policy changes aimed at speeding up approvals, India MSME sector is navigating a week of both risk and reform. Hi, I'm Nishtha and you are watching SME This Week. Here are the key developments shaping India's micro, small and medium enterprises. First, the rising tension in West Asia are beginning to weigh on MSME exporters. The conflict involving the United States and Iran is disrupting shipping routes around the strategically important Strait of Hormuz, a key global trade corridor. For India's MSME, which account for nearly 45% of country's exports, the impact could be significant. The gems and jewellery sector is already seeing disruptions. Diamond shipments from Surat and Mumbai to trading hubs like Dubai and Israel are slowing due to flight cancellation and airport closures. Electronic exporters are also feeling the pressure. Smaller firms routing shipments to Dubai's Jebel Ali port say buyers are delaying orders while inventories begin to build up. At the same time, logistic costs are rising sharply. Shipping diversions are adding up to 2 weeks to transit times, while freight and insurance costs have risen to 30 to 50%. Industry estimates suggest even a week-long disruption could impact export orders worth nearly rupees 8,000 crore, raising concerns about cash flow pressures and smaller exporters. Next, rising raw material costs are adding pressures on the small manufacturer. Union MSME Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi says the recent spike in aluminium and copper prices is likely temporary, but acknowledging the strain it is putting on small units. He said the government may set up monitoring committee to track and price fluctuations. The minister also said the demands to reduce GST on job work services from 18% to 5% will be examined, and that the government is exploring an MSME credit card for workers to improve access to credit within the sector. Manjhi reiterated that MSMEs remain central to India's economy, contributing over 33% to GDP, about 36% to manufacturing output, and nearly 46% of exports. And finally, a policy move to speed up MSME approvals in Rajasthan. The state government has decentralized approval under its MSME policy and the One District, One Product scheme. District industries and commerce centers will now directly scrutinize and approve applications submitted by MSMEs seeking benefit under 3 Rajasthan government schemes: the One District, One Product scheme, the Rajasthan MSME policy, and the Rajasthan Export Promotion Policy 2024. The system is replacing earlier committees that often cause delays. Officials say that reform, along with digitized processes, is already improving efficiency. Since February, 1,245 applications have been received, averaging 9 per day compared to fewer than 2 earlier. Eligible MSMEs can access incentives including margin grants up to Rs 20 lakh, technology subsidies, certification reimbursements, and marketing support. That's all for this week's MSME update. Stay tuned for more insights on MSME this week.